Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about wrapping books. So in this case, there's this beautiful angel wrapped in wrapping paper with the matching pattern. You can also do this technique with material. Let's get started. So to begin wrapping your book, first you're going to take some wrapping paper or material, whatever you choose. And you're going to want about, I would say, 3 to 4 centimeters overlap. So I'm going to cut wrapping paper. I like to choose wrapping paper or material that matches the theme of the book. So this book is a Christmas angel. So I chose this really beautiful angel wrapping paper that accents the book. So as you can see, it kind of matches. So once you've done the cutting, you want to make sure that the length is correct. And the way I do that is I, again, have that about 3 centimeter overlap. And then I roll my book to make sure I'm going to have enough room and then cut off the excess. And honestly, this is the hardest part, is just setting it up. Okay. So now what you're going to do is you're going to figure out where the spine is going to go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark about maybe 1 millimeter or so where the spine meets. And I'm going to draw a little angle. Just a slight angle right here and right here. I am then going to cut right where I drew the pen mark to show where the spine is going to be. And this allows it to get wrapped quite neatly. So I'm then going to fold in this gap. So you can see this is folded in exactly where the spine is going to end up. And then you can see because you've cut that little space, everything else is going to come along really quite nicely. Okay, I'm going to take some glue gun, and that just speeds up the whole process a little bit. And I'm going to glue down, remember that is a little bit hot, actually quite hot. I'm going to glue that down. Then I'm going to go ahead on the other side and glue that down. You can do that with regular glue, but I just feel like the glue gun just makes the whole process go a little faster. Now once you have that part down, here's the little trick. So here, to make a really nice edge, you're going to fold that over into a triangle, like so. So it's a nice little triangle right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and fold the other side into a nice triangle. That way, when you bend it over, it's going to make a really nice seam. This is a technique I've learned from sewing. So again, go over with the glue gun. And as you can see right here, it makes a really nice, neat looking seam. Then you're going to go over to the other side and go ahead and complete the same steps. So again, go ahead with the glue gun and glue. Go to the other side. And you want to be as neat as possible. The nice thing about this is that the end paper is actually going to go over a part of this as well. So it's going to finish it off real nice. So again, on the edges, you're going to fold it over into a triangle. Fold the other end into the triangle. And then, once again, you're going to fold it over. So, take that glue gun. And fold it over. Then, so as you can see, it's very, very pretty, the wrapping, and it's very, very neat. So the last step is I'm going to glue this end paper here over this to just finish off that really nice look. So again, with the glue, get it all the way around, especially on the edges. You really want to use a lot. And then go ahead and glue that end paper. See how that makes like a really nice finished look. And go ahead in the back. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. Again, being quite generous with my glue. And gluing that down. So as you can see, it really made a nice, clean way to wrap this beautiful angel book.